there's one. It says Caitlin right here. Let's see, Braylon. Here's one for you, buddy.
Thank you. I'm going to start opening.
Okay.
I'm going to start opening. Thank you.
What is that?
Mama,
What is that?
look.
Is that a Palace pet?
Yeah.
Whose pet is it?
Sleeping Beauty.
Oh.
Can you open it for me?
Yeah.
So I can play with it?
You want to finish?
Braylon, what do you got there, buddy?
Braylon, what's that? Are those?
Got boots.
Those are fireman boots.
Mama,
Maybe this is.
I got a good idea. Look, we can put it in here.
Put them in your trunk.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
These are my boots.
You got
Those are
some
your fireman
fireman
boots.
I love you, Mommy.
Here.
I love you, baby girl.
Try them on.
Okay.
so
I'm going to try them on.
You trying them on, bud?
Hey, wait.
I think you should just be able to put them on over there.
Slip them over your feet right here.
No, I do it. No, I do it.
Okay.
And I'm going to do this one now. Now I'm going to do this.
What you doing, Braylon?
Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Okay.
What are you doing, Bray?
I'll try.
Here, we'll try on all of our stuff in a little bit, okay? Let's open up another gift, and then we'll come back and play with all our stuff later. And Caitlin's opening another one, Daddy.
Braylon, look at those boots. Them some good looking boots you got.
Mama, I forgot to give Santa my note.
What?
My note that I got him yesterday.
Oh.
We had to put it on the table.
Whoa,
We
buddy.
had to put it on the table. Mama, we had to put that on my note on that table.
Oh, well, that's okay.
So
Braylon.
we got another Christmas coming out.
Yeah, we'll give it to him another time. Braylon, what you think about those boots, baby? Those are your fireman boots. Caitlin, what is that?
Mama.
Daddy might need it.
Shoe?
Those are soccer cleats.
Shoe?
Those are soccer shoes.
Huh? Big. Let's see what they fit me. I think they are too big.
Get you one, buddy. Yeah, open that one, Braylon. That's perfect. Yeah.
That's a good one to open. You got soccer shoes, baby girl?
Yeah. Thank you. Here's this one that I can open. Mom, can I open this one now?
Sure.
Braylon?
Look, Mama. Look at the bow.
Yeah.
Mama, I did get the glass slippers.
Oh, see, you knew Santa wouldn't forget.
Braylon.
Daddy.
You got glass slippers?
For Cinderella.
Match your Cinderella dress?
Yeah. And now.
Hold on.
Okay.
Scissors, mama?
No, that was
Not yet, Braylon.
Braylon. Not yet, baby. Those are Caitlin's. Yours are over here.
Only the one that has a snowflake on it.
Hey,
That's
hey.
mine.
Wait, and Daddy's opening that up to let you see what it is. It looks like a fireman costume.
You got a hat.
Can I start opening this one?
No,
Mama?
just a minute.
I hope it's something really pretty.
All right, go ahead, Caitlin.
Mom, that's a good one for Braylon to open, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Daddy!
What'd you get? Shoes?
Yeah.
Those are so pretty. I like those shoes.
And now this one,
Wait, let's see what Braylon's getting. Braylon, what is that?
Toy Story game. A game.
Is that looks like a tent.
It is. I think it is.
What is that, Braylon?
I know it is a tent.
Is that a...
Look, on the back of it, it is a tent.
You got a
Wow.
tent.
Mom, now can I open this?
That's a tent.
Just a minute.
I can open it.
You want to open it?
Yeah.
All right, why don't you start picking some of this stuff up, okay? Pick some of that trash up and put it in the garbage for me.
This.
Daddy, can Katie Bug open her next one?
Yeah.
Can I open it?
Yep, go for it, babe.
I'm gonna take this